guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a clarified butter, which is also known as desi ghee. In a pot, take 10 to 15 blocks of 150 grams of unsalted butter and put it on a very low heat and let it melt. This might take you a few hours to cook, but keep it at a low heat so it doesn't burn. As you can see now, the butter has melted and it is still melting more. You can see a little bit of froth at the top. This type of butter is very famous in Asian countries. It is most commonly used in winter to keep the body warm. Now you can see that all the froth has come at the top. The butter is fully melted. Continue to cook it at a very low heat. Make sure that you don't burn your butter, otherwise it won't taste good. This kind of butter can be used on different types of naan breads and different parathas. It is very delicious and good for your body, very hydrating. As you can see, the mixture will also bubble, but don't worry, it's just cooking. Now that you can see that all your butter has come at the top and all the oil has separated, the buttermilk will be separated from the butter. You can see all the yellow butter is at the top, which means all the buttermilk is at the bottom. Let it cook more at a very low heat. It will take around 20 to 25 minutes to separate. Now the oil is getting separated fully from the buttermilk. As you can see, it has turned a golden brown color. It's getting ready to drain. Place a thin cloth in a tub and pour all the liquid into the tub. Make sure to get a netty type of cloth so it can drain. Raise the cloth as shown and drain the butter, so all your buttermilk will be at the top and all the oil will be at the bottom in the tub. Make sure to get all the oil out of the excess so it doesn't waste. Pour the oil into jars. Be careful, it's quite hot. Leave it in open air for around 12 hours so that it can form a block of butter and it can harden up. Your clarified butter is now ready. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.
I'm on the bad side.